Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a video playlist inside your Blogspot website. So before we get started, I need you to make some preview of that. As you can see here, all video is are playing, and you can simply change the episode or the version or the part of the video by clicking in the part below of this playlist. As you know that you can do with some of embeddings from YouTube or Facebook, but it's completely not a playlist, it's just a single video. So to do that, please follow 5 steps with me now. So let's get started. The first, you need to download the code that I put the link in the description below my video here, and you will see the code that look like this. And go to my Blogspot website, you can also have this code too. So go ahead to my Blogspot website and download all this code. Now the first one is we going to the head text. So here we're going to Blogger dashboard here and click on the theme here. Go ahead and click on the theme and click on edit HTML here. When you click on that, this time you need to find the word that called head text like this. So it's generally on the top of HTML code, entire code. So it is always on the top. And this time we need to add some plugin, the font plugin like this. So select all this code like this. Okay, it's ending with this mark. Right click on that and select and copy this. And then this time we're gonna put this code just around here. So press Ctrl V to pass the code here. And here is the code plugin that you need to do with that. If you don't use this code, CSS styles plugin code like this, you will not be able to make a playlist. So this is the step 1. Step number 2 is now let's say step number 2, we need to add some CSS style script here. So select on that, scroll more down like this. Okay, scroll more up. It is from this place. It starts ending with the closing script like this. Okay, and it starts with style type text CSS. So right click on that and then copy it like this. And this time we go to the closing head text. So thing that we're gonna do is click anywhere inside the code area like this and press Ctrl F to find the code here. So thing that we're gonna do is we need to type the head text like this, and then hit enter to find the closing head text. And here is the closing head text right there. So before the closing head text, we need to add this code. So click or pass this code just around here. It means just above the head text. And now press Ctrl V to pass all the code like this. And you can see the code is on it is above the head text like this. And the next step, number 3, is copy the body text. Okay, copy the script code like this. Select and copy that. And then this time we're gonna go to the closing body text. So doing the same, press Ctrl F to open the search box here, and then we're gonna type in body. Okay, body text, closing text like this, and then we're gonna hit enter to find the closing body text, and you can see here it is the closing body text. So before the closing body text, I mean just above of the body text, we're gonna add this code just like that. Okay, now you can see that all the script is just above the body text, and then click on save here. So on the left hand side, so click on save, and waiting to see that update is successfully. And this time we go to the final steps of the video. It means everything is completely set up inside the HTML code. And this time we're gonna click on go back here. So click on the back key, and you will return to this place again. Display again. When you are on this place, it's time to make your first post of the video here. So go to click on the post here, or you can post inside the page here. And now I'm gonna create a new post, and then put the title that what are you posting about. So now I'm gonna call it video playlist. Video playlist testing. Okay, now I'm gonna put title like this, and click inside the paper sheet here. And this time we're gonna click on the small icon pen here, and select on HTML view. So select on that word and delete all this code here. So it is blank now. It means inside the paper sheet is blank. So now copy the posting code like this. The step number 5. Select all the code here, and then right click on that, and then select on copy like this, and then pass it just inside this area, or press Ctrl V. So now I'm gonna press Ctrl V, and here is the code that we're gonna use with that. Here is the playlist that you can see the red mark here. It is the title of your first video, so you can put the title inside this mark here. And the episode, it means the part of the videos, for example part 1, part 2, part 3, and the description of videos. So you need to change all these 3 things. And here is the links to the video that you can play it through your blogspot website. Now I'm not gonna change for you, but I'm gonna show you the first preview looks of that posting. So let's go. So now click on the publish here, click on that, and then click on confirm. Okay, now you can see the title is posting here, the video playlist. So go ahead and click on this view block here, click on that, and it will take you to see the first posting here. It shows something that image is broken because we didn't post image yet. So click on the title here, and now you can see the video playlist is look like this. And here is the title that we're gonna I'm going to show you what is the question mark about. Question mark is here. It is the title that the same to this place, and it means blah 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 blah. it shows something like this. Now you can see a title part, and I'm going to insert that because OKRO is completely cannot play by embeddings. You need to buy a domain, buy your blogger domain to set up inside the OKRO to appear the video inside your blogger. So you need to buy your blogger's domain from OK.rules to approve your video play on the blogger. And here is the, now we're gonna click to the other video that look like this. You can see it is loading like this, and now you can see everything is embedded from the YouTube. And okay, this video is private also, so make sure that you have the correct links to the video. For example, Google Drive or whatever that you can store your file. So you need to embed and get the URL link just inside that. And you can see here, if you want to embed YouTube, it is completely free. And here is the ID of the video, and here is the ID. So you can put the video link just around of this place and around of this punctuation mark and around all of this place. So thank you guys for watching my video tutorial, and I hope you guys understand about it. So thank you for watching.